Hey there, welcome back to Kids Gardening with Liz. I'm Liz and I'm filming today from my apartment here in Pasadena because it's been raining here in LA. I am loving it. The plants are happy, I'm happy, the farm is happy, we're doing good. But there's something very important everyone should know about their watershed that they live in. So today I want to talk to you about watersheds and what happens when it rains and where all that water goes. So in your watershed, you have elevation change. So we are surrounded by 3 mountain ranges in Los Angeles. We've got San Gabriel, Santa Monica, and Santa Ynez. So when it rains or snows here in LA, all of that water trickles down in streams and estuaries and creeks until it eventually reaches the LA River, which then washes out into the ocean. And that point is in Long Beach. So the only downside to this happening in a large city like Los Angeles is that all kinds of gasoline and oil and trash gets washed out into the ocean every time it rains. So something that you can do to help prevent causing so much pollution in our beautiful coastal city is obviously not throwing trash on the ground. But if you are trying to keep your rainwater harvested in your lawn or yard, that will help reduce the amount of water and therefore trash and pollution that gets washed out into the Pacific Ocean. So I'm going to show you quickly here a slide that shows exactly how the watershed of Los Angeles works so you can visualize it. And while I show you that, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the different techniques you can use to harvest water and keep it in the ground where your house and garden is. All right, here we go. So here you see the LA watershed basin. The brown in the background is the mountains. That's the highest point of elevation, and everything runs down from there. And you can see the Long Beach there with that little boat. So something you can do to save the water in your yard and recharge your groundwater is using rain barrels to distribute the water more slowly, or a swale or bioswale or French drain or hugelkultur. Any of these can be used to keep the groundwater in your home and garden and prevent the water from rushing out to the ocean. I hope you enjoyed learning about watersheds with me today, and if you have any more questions about watersheds or what you can do to help reduce pollution or water runoff to the ocean, you can reach out to me directly, Christy at ecourbangardens.org. Thanks so much. Bye.